Big up TNJ flavor. Alright. You don't know we have the ital, some veggie, we have some fish, some real snapper, $20. Everything. You don't know we have the jerk chicken. Jerk chicken. Best jerk chicken in the West. East side jerk chicken, St. Thomas style. And we have some goat soup, manish water, curry goat. You know what Diego thing? Big up east side we say. Nah stop. Alright. Bless up. BTV. Mad. So bless up Father Juba. Yeah.
Yeah, man, big up Daily Bread, you know. Father Juba there, you know. Fish fry, a big thing, you know. Big up Showy and the big chef, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, respect. Fast time, man.
We say no, Mountain Saturday, no, every last Saturday, no. They don't know, you know, every month, you know, so look out for it, you know. I tell you, you know, the whole promotion crew, you know, Father Juba, Beanie, you don't know, you know, Super Force, the whole link, you see me? You don't know, can't forget the people them were there, you see me? I say, oh, big up everybody will come out and support this, you see me? Mountain Saturday, look for the big one, the 28th of August, I come. You don't know where I say, yo, when we do the thing, that's how I do it. You see me? I say, so I love and unity, you know. Naturally, advice family say, you know. You don't know. Love, respect, BTV, you don't know, we say straight. Now lean around here, you see me, I say, Sharky Super Force over there, so you see me, the real general, lizard that, you know, general from youth days, so you don't know where I do the thing. Yeah, man, I Daily Bread, I say, yo, Slady Suzette in the bars, Father Alan there from early, and I say, big up the artists, them were there from early, National, general, you don't know, Tillibeng, and the whole family, I just do and big up on myself, big up my wife, you know, on the outside. You don't know the thing, yeah, man. One knock BTV. See.
Yeah, man, it's all about Jamaica take over the Olympics. All who love Jamaica right now. What the Jamaican them now?
We never there, man.
I don't have not side, eh?
All who love your country now.
Yeah, we 1, 2, 3. Jamaica. 1, 2, 3.
Represent for your country.
Jamaica. 1, 2, 3. 2021. 1, 2, 3, Jamaica.
I say all who love Jamaica say pull up. Yeah, man, big up Jamaicans, big up on yourself. We're not left for all. What the beers on them there, big up on yourself too. Yeah. Yeah, man, go and represent for your country. Anywhere you come from. We wanna see Jamaica love. I wanna represent the citizens of Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Represent where man, tune up original star. From the time we jump in the matter about that one, stay hustle down on the ground. Jamaica and the link to the link, and the Canadian and American foundation. All the men them fear I'm shot. Don't cast out on the money, I'm just going to execute that ammunition. We Jamaica will show me your heart, no matter which part of the world we start. No matter what they want to say about Jamaica, we sing it out loud, and we go to the heart. Jamaica love, we wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica.
Yeah, man, all Jamaicans, all who love them country, you know. Any part of Jamaica you come from.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip the wings so we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, yes, I am, my brother. Aisha. Under the tree, the glass of money.
Yeah, I have to big up the Guyanese woman in the house right now. Aisha, big up yourself, your love. No matter if you're a Jamaican, Guyanese or what, you don't know. Jamaica was.
Our Father, bless our land. Guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through countless hours.
Brother man, me the for America's most wanted
Defenders, grant true wisdom from above.
Yeah.
Justice, truth be us forever, Jamaica land.
We're all proud Jamaicans.
Yeah. Them try clip the wings so we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, not nice like Jamaica. We spread fruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river when we ready for play. No boy can't buy me out. Me no foreign minded, no way compared to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica love, you wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna see Jamaica love. The one that represents the citizens of Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Represent where I'm at, tune up original star. From the time we're chopping no matter what that's what's like it's loud and hard. Jamaica and the link to the link, you can make Canada and America. They can't smell a visit Western Union. Come look with the up foundation. All the hard man them fear ambition. Don't flash out all the money back, just get anything comes out ammunition. Great Jamaica in the show me you are. No matter which part of the world where you from. Me no matter what them want say about Jamaica, me sing it out loud, come out to the top. Jamaica love, you wanna feel Jamaica love. Everybody wanna visit Jamaica. Jamaica love, Jamaica. Jamaica love, we wanna see Jamaica love. The one that represents the citizens of Jamaica.
outside. So this outside. But
Yeah, man, me not, you ain't gonna fucking lie to you. You can't say that. Yeah, man, I agree about man, we're outside, man. What's flipping them outside, you know, whenever the power bright, ever hit the power blood, you know me I talk about it. We're outside, with it, you know what I say? Suzette and Daily Bread, big up on yourself. Be an artist in the place, not too much artists in the place. We're out here without fear, I've been carrying on the ear, not even mask we are here. See that?
Yo, BETV, bless up yourself, you know. Kill about this one check-in. You don't know, we're there with the Virgin Daily Bread. The annual year-to-year fish fry. And you know, the whole of it there on a night till morning. You understand? Big up all of the people in the place to come through, come bless it up. Big up the whole of the sound man in the place. Big up the chef around the kitchen and deal with the thing. You understand? Everything alright. It's just fun and enjoyment, love and unity. Remember August 14, my birthday party. Make sure you come through, bless it up. Seeing white and bright, and wear white with something bright. It's gonna be nice, a good night. Seeing, bless up the eye themselves. Don't know. BETV, bless up, man.
Ready? Yeah, BTV. Madison Full Effect. Fire shot out there. Check it out, YouTube. Cuban, Gun Love. Check you out. See? Right now. Share, comment. Man's and respect.
But you're living think you're in heaven, but you're living in time, oh, time will tell. You think you're in heaven.
up the whole family in the house. You understand? So you don't know them say, yo, showtime will start at 3 o'clock. So you don't know your play make every selector come out of the way. So when the artists them do them thing, you don't know everything proper. So it's right now in the morning, my brother. Do it.
Yeah, man, you don't know over there, DJ Pepsi up in the building. Daily Bread, big up the ISL scene. Let's go and juggle some true, because you don't know. All who come out for enjoy themselves, ready up.
You live the life you love. You love the life you live. Everything you have in mind.
Rick Swallow got dance long time, you know what I mean? Let's go.
Greetings I bring from Jack to all ragamuffin. Greetings I bring from Jack to all ragamuffin.
Oh, you mean it?
Easy, Mr. Cat, you want it done. People, if you park bad outside me, I beg the them just move your vehicle, fix the vehicle. Because we don't want nobody call and say, you know, them can't move out of them driveway and them sitting there. Please, find a good park before you forward in another party. Because the party got nice. Daily Bread, beat me out.
Don't show your face, Mr. Cat, because them can't stop you still last year, you know. Rick Swallow got dance long time, you know.
Come it's a special dedication to all farmers. Whether you live at Fairgrounds or in a Nova. Cause this is Mr. Cat, the beer back rider. The style when me go get the go run Jamaica. And in a London, and me say in America. And in a Canada, and me say in a China. It name the Vinaya style, it took it out, wicked and wild. The Vinaya style, it took it out, wicked and wild. The one poor person with an animal party. And the one poor part with the human party. And the one called Chaplin with ocean party. Obviously, you come Mr. Cat with the yard party. Them keeping a dance in a camping yard. The sound we did a play was pro type power. Select up for the sound, the one cocoa comba. What they in a ripe sweet guava. Promoter for the dance, the one sweet potato. The bartender was Irish potato. They say, oh, I hold the gate of scotch, pan and pepper. The matic pan and me put us up on his shoulder. They say, who them in kind of sweet cassava. But him never left it with him.
Don't want to make a play request, all I did is the real guy down sometime, alright?
I shall sing
as
long as I live. As long as I live, I shall sing. I shall sing as long as I live. As long as
Don't respect, disrespect to all aspects. Who they might give it, them stop and check. Don't respect, disrespect in all aspects. Someone to know who they might give it, them stop and check. I wanna know how will I burn them life. They don't know what sleep we have and show down. How we have take on life. They don't know what sleep we have and show. I am big boss, my own big man, me run my own show. I want a response, sorry, I make me didn't know.
All of Mr. Budget, I want a name.
Now special dedication to all dogs of dogs, dedicated to all top dogs, liberty crew. Man called Tony Kelly, the man called Robert, and while upon the riding show. Curfew! Good now! Sometimes some back, some of them are rally back. We a road boy, you tell me not take back no chat. Sometimes some back, some of them are rally back. But we a road boy, you tell me not take back no chat. You full of big chat and can't defend that. If a jailhouse you come from, we sending you go back. You full of big chat and can't defend that. If a Bellevue you come from, we sending you go back. Cause with them there when they get around hot. When we looking the food for the pot. Man have him 16 over the back. 45 and we have a rampacker. Car bazooka and all the big locker. When we move compact. Man we take a couple store, couple bank and shop. And policeman a top out we hotter. Judge I know we have to run left the spotter. Dan the yard, the dog at the daughter. Now this one dedicated to all the boss them who jump up. Dedicated to all the man them who wake up and push up. Tickle Mr. Cat because you come from my shit up. Anywhere you go with happy y'all and pull up. Listen Mr. Cat because him well dangerous. Me say mud up italic and italic and italic. Me say mud up italic it a rip up a market. Me say mud up it or lick it or the latest lyrics. When me come to the place and take up the mic and flick for your lyrics. I'm say if you never lie, you was a outlaw manics. Oh man, listen, me a cat and me no talk on miss. Ragamuffin, me a cat and me a chemist in a days. Me no use half a batch, me no work with switch. And this a DJ, you can't short circuit. 88 and 89, me say me know me a be rich. And up on me just me want me satellite dish. Me say mud up italic and italic and italic. Me say
Dance Gladiation. Why some a world of girls in continue loads. Anyone out there when I'm a baby, wait till them dock up and some clear them you come for some. Girls, everything. From London, Canada and the USA. Girls, everything. Let me show you this. Come now. That's the DJ. Never chill alone, a Barbie. Come chill alone, a customer piece of the hill. Clear them off. Chill alone, a Barbie. Come chill alone, a customer piece of the hill. Clear them off. Woman, the mind is the soul and heart. Barbie, the land is the sweet heart. Antoinette, at the gate of my heart. But tell the religion of the friends that have been about chill alone, a chill alone, a Barbie. Come chill alone, a customer piece of the hill. Clear them off. Chill alone, a chill alone, a Barbie. Yeah, I'm for it, kick up. Rock wine. Ling-a-ling-a-ling, zing. Dance and swing, zing. DJ is stuck up in the table, my day. Obviously, ting-a-ling-a-ling, zing. Ling-a-ling, zing. If I can't fight the dumpling. Can't pass them a ranking. Some of us disappearing from another mountain. So, them are the done to the beats. We have the key, put the down to the key and turn them in a donkey. Yes, them are the done to the beats. We have the key, put the down to the key and turn them in a donkey. Who the thing that are, yes, they can't love me. I am the general in the DJ of me. With that tongue, I am cross all the thing. And sit all the girl, them pick up fancy. And anywhere we go, y'all gone crazy. Listen.
I had a girl, Donna was her name. I see she left me. I
got old school, you know.
And I know I love her. But Donna, why you go away?
Come on, link up.
Oh, Donna, why you go?
Something this is DJ Pepsi.
Oh, Donna, oh, Donna, oh, Donna, oh, Donna. I know I love her. I know that he.
Cemetery now, girl, you know dash when I'm belly now. And you never kill on your picnic where you visit. Girl, you never kill your picnic from your family. So y'all are coming to time I love so I give my kid in them in heaven, but living in well, bad man want them son ya, slam can't run ya. Hot inna the summer, hot like a summer. Nice and fun ya, them what she a gonna say the youth them a beat ya. Back inna ya, now me love the girl them where you think. And when I hit a clock, and I fuck you know you see ya, no nothing if you back. That's the punchline 'cause you know eat ya. Anytime man now, hey baby.
Go long, you know. So take a look at time and just load up the thing, people. So let's give the artists some support. You understand? Right now, on Stencer stage right now, you don't know a thing of people. One of them just put your hands together right now for Spirit of Truth. Spirit of Truth.
Hey now! Oh, the big artist there. Roll it! Roll it! Yeah! And I say once again, I greet the Adam with true love. And remember, if you know not love, you know not God, because God is love. See? Yeah, you want to see the government them doing a star. Them lock we down for 2 years, and guess what happen now? Everything raise. Everything get expensive. Let it go, road boy. Chano. The government keep us hungry. I want us to be honest. Then I hold that I go work star. Super force. Me say it cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. Send for me kids them from yard and it cost me. Make it run super force, don't mix it. Oh gosh. On the front. Yeah, put it up again, man. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Come out on the front with it, road boy. Hungry. I want us to be honest. How that I go work, Rasta? Killabo! Me say it cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. Send for me kids them from yard and it cost me. We put food on the table, it cost me. Call to a girl on the street and it cost me. Answer me phone when they ring and it cost me. Keep up me birthday bash and it cost me. Me invite every slow CI, oh gosh. Away my sins you wash. Me say it cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. Send for me kids them from yard and it cost me. We put food on the table, it cost me. Call to a girl on the street and it cost me. Answer me phone when it ring and it cost me. Keep up me birthday cash and it cost me. Me invite Caperton and him charge me. Me nearly make all righteousness pass me. Me go to church, we give thanks and it cost me. Cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. Back to school and the kids them want khaki. The transmission went out in the hardy. And my daughter graduation party. IRS no stop from call me. Me next door neighbor them no like me. Send police and me ya just respite me. Police kick off me door and destroy it. Me went to Home Depot, me replace it. You should have seen the fat Christ where them gave me. God Almighty, me could not afford it. Cost me, cost me, cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me. Rastafari, hold it. Hold it. Hear me? More than them for just make it running out saying. I don't want no mixing. Brand new artist on the scene. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I Joe. Rastafari the first. Let it go. Yo, give one body cast me. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. New York. Me say it cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. Send for me kids them from yard and it cost me. We put food on the table it cost me. Got to walk bird on the street and it cost me. Answer me phone when it ring and it cost me. Keep up me birthday bash and it cost me. Me invite Cape Breton and them charge me. Me get the make all righteousness pass me. Me go to church, me give thanks and it cost me. Cost me, cost me, cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. Back to school and the kids they want cocky. The transmission went out in the army. And my daughter graduation party. IRS no stop from call me. Me next door neighbor them no like me. Send police and me ya just respite me. Police kick off me door and destroy it. Me went to Home Depot to replace it. You should have seen the fat price where they gave me. God Almighty me could not afford it. Cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. Me grandfather drop out and it cost me. Me baby mother give birth and it cost me. And me we going to work and it cost me. Sorry for Marga dog and him bite me. Me let me friend me rent money and it cost me. He want to fight me when him for return me. Me have to end up hiring attorney. Him wind up him car glass and pass me. Me head a hurt me. Me chest a hurt me. Inside the belly me go and get a cup of Cersei. And it cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. It cost me, it cost me, it cost me. Every little thing me say it cost me. Married to me girlfriend and it cost me. Filing for divorce and it a cost me. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Yeah. Oh gosh. Kilabuya large. Oh gosh. Watch me. Pepper boasting on the soap and so up a lawsuit. Sergeant complain about this soap. Pepper boasting on the soap and so. Come again with it. Yeah. Rastafari. Oh gosh. Watch me. Prepper boasting on the soap and so up a lawsuit. Sergeant complain about this soap. Prepper boasting on the soap and so up a lawsuit. Adam 20 post back from the soap. Boasting on the soap and so up a lawsuit. Push us him to lose a youth for the soap. Before you give the corporal the shot for the soap. Run go tell the judge the future belongs to the youth. Hear them over yonder. Spread them propaganda. I want to revise. Selassie. Yeah.
Cause you don't know.
the bang bang. That's what I say. Big up Father Juba, no rhythm. No? Bashi. Step in Bashi, wicked and wasi. Big up yourself, Father T. Big up yourself, my general. Big up the one of Queens. To the bang bang. Tell them that's what them say. I'm on something. Them say I say the bang bang. Bashi.
I big up yourself till the bang. Yeah. And the Black King, you know, D that O that M. AKA Nashi. You understand me? I say, now big up all of my family. Family on Liberty United. I'm a big up 113 family too. Dan Dizzle and the whole crew. Being a big up yourself. Bobo, John here, and I could deal with something. Set it now, brother. Yeah. No Sharky Super Force, big up yourself. I'll kill a Bo, big up yourself. Daily bread. Alright. I give thanks, yes. Check it. I give thanks and I give praises to the Most High Jah. Could that inside but the blessings make me outside. Got know what the wise call where it jump on my mouth side. Little more food good a cook on it. Yo, pull it up here. Yeah man. We can DJ for no tonight. Somebody say yes. We can DJ for no. Here we go on now. I give thanks and I give praises to the Most High Jah. Coulda inside but your blessings make me outside. Yeah, now watch the white squall when it chop on my mouth side. Little more food good a cook on the outside. And even though the money might not be there plenty, none of we might never ever own a Bentley. Man thankful cause the cup them never empty. The lifespan of my loved ones late. Hey, you know so me thankful. The kids them okay so me thankful. Some bills paid and the gas thankful. Still have little change even though it's not a bank full. Load up the chalice and make me get a one pull. Where you get this boom dryer from Istanbul. I don't really care, all me know it's smoke damn good. Try get 50 pound more and make premium food. I'm a go so you know say me great food. Have a little rub, don't need a plate full.
Yeah, full of that. Full of that. Oh, I'm telling you. Run for the career.
Daily bread, me know I do that, you know. I don't want you to interrupt me, you know. But this is John here, brother. Thank you, you're there. You're Reggae-matic, Keegan. Big up the whole entire fraternity, you hear that? Yeah. Hey, watch this. You know, send me thankful. Have a little. Yeah. Hey, Sharky, start again there, brother. Start again there, man. Daily bread, don't do that again, here. Come here, talk to the people, let me tell them I want DJ for them. Yeah. Yes, I give thanks and I give praises to the Most High Jah. Coulda inside but the blessings make me outside. Yeah, now watch the white squall where it chop on my mouth side. Little more food good a cook on the outside. And even though the money might not be there plenty, and none of we might never ever win a Bentley. Say man thankful cause the cup them never empty. The lifespan of my loved ones lengthy. Hey, you know so me thankful. The kids them okay so me thankful. Some bills paid and the gas thankful. Still have little change even though it's not a bank full. Load up the chalice, Julius make me get a one pull. Where you get this pump dryer from Istanbul. I don't really care, all me know it smoke damn good. Try get 50 pound more and make premium food. I'm a go so hey, you know say me great food. Have a little grub, don't need a plate full. Still a show love, although the people hateful. From you the above ground, then you have to be grateful. I give thanks and I give praises to the Most High. Pull up that there. Come here, my brother, them there, you know. Yes, I want to tell them about life, you know. Yeah, can we book for it, you know. So we're going to spend a little time with it, don't? Yes, I want to tell them about life. Yeah. Just in life, I know no movie thing. Means I use more time to move a thing. I mean not do it for prove a thing. Me do it for improve a thing. This is life, life not hilarious. No, I mean I beg you no fi pay with us. Hey, tell all our owner share with us. Them need to beware of us. Me thank mama, mama bird 5 of us. Me thank Jaja, mama earth kind to us. Me thank Jaja, that the sun shine for us. That we have some roots and find a bus. Them system, it not designed for us. No, the politician, them blind to us. Yo, the little bugger, them lie, you fuck. Hear them, them say the government kinda broke. But them have champagne and wine a bus. Look, them have steak, sirloin a cut. Yo, it's sugar and lime for us. Plus the tin room which is fighting us. But his life here and no movie thing. No, get a youth to move the thing. Now put up that. Belly Bob, say something to people on the man.
Could I? Should I? Hey, I'm mercy, Lord. I wasn't booked for the show. I was in the party. My friend said, Belly Bob, come up. I'm finding out for the show. Man, tell me something. Yo, lying alone with my gun on the phone, thinking about this robbery. Yo, I'm gonna make some money. Come my wife sees it home. So my daughter and my sons, them hungry. Yo, anybody touch the road, the clips them load. Harry gunman walking, we don't walk with no board. When I use a knife, no. But tell you know, whenever I book for the show, I'm like, that's what I'm gonna say. Yo, maybe you just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell like perfume, see the makeup on his shirt. No, you don't believe his story. Say you know the lies. Bad as you are, you stick around. Girl, I don't know why. Cause if I was a man, maybe you. Hey, you see me, I got that shot again. I understand. Take it back.
Want to talk to that girl there. That same girl there. Want to talk to her. You know what I said? You know what? That's it. I've got the street. I've got the. Hey, yo. I've got the street smart. Girl, you're my ticket to anywhere. Baby, let us make a deal. Baby, together we can go somewhere. The name of the place is Cheddar. You don't have any, so there's nothing to lose. Baby, I can make your life better. Cause me, myself, I'm gonna eat some food. Listen me. You know, I've got the street smart. Also, I plan to be a Also, I plan to be a millionaire. I can work at convenience store, sell pharmaceuticals and whole heap more. You won't have to work too hard. You only have to give me a green card. You and I, we can both get rich. You will finally see what the American dream is. And I love you driving in the latest cars, and you'll be sipping bubbly with the greatest stars. Red carpets laid out before us, and no more they treat me like a tourist. And I one of these. Hey, pull up that now. Pull up that now. Can I talk to you tonight? We feel for DJ for people. Maddy, come in, man. Yeah, man. Introducing Madison from Lunga 130. You hear that?
Hey, balance it, G. Balance it, G. And that's how it start. Balance it, selector. Walk on the 1-2s. Yeah, balance it. And that's how it start. Balance it, me G, please. Lock off the music, please, me general. Thank you. Hey, good night, people. 113 in the building. What them say, daily bread sitting, what go on, me G? We do it the right way, now she are going good. Big up all the beautiful ladies in the house tonight. You understand? Big up all the G's them tonight. We gotta take a little cruise tonight, you know. So me I do it for the gangster them first, and then we just touch the ladies them for a minute. You understand? Lift up the rhythm again. I go by the name of Madison. Thank you, DJ. Hear them say, hear them say, hear them say. Tell them about what themself. Me hear them say, Modesty, you still a shot. Your rhymes them sick, them still a clap. Old school like me want bring the filler back. Jenny back bring the killer back. Dog, if the money nah make me nah go. If nobody nah dead in nah boss. Dog, if the money nah make me nah go. If nobody nah dead in a bus. Alright, shot up with 2 bomber. Slap shot in a mouth that change grammar. Some boy ya act tough like Superman. Me right for them, broke up in future plans. Remington the Jericho, you know say me stay with. Walton Park and no place for you play with. Bury them alive, you know said them shaky. 113 and no place for you. Me hear them say man they see you still a shot. Times them sick, still a slap. There's something different on my GR, thank you. There's some more up tempo. So I go. Alright, we're working with it. Ladies, do me a favor now. You listen up. Alright, and I mean say do something for me. I want me mean baby do something naughty. And I mean say do something for me. Baby girl won't you do something naughty. Alright then, bend over touch your toe, me girl. Show me the thing them you can do, me girl. You look it tight like glue, me girl. And the one bag of man no pass through you girl. Come sit down on the pole, me girl. Think this deep in your soul, me girl. Underneath you no cold, me girl tight. You no walk with big hole. Alright then, when them a talk and a dash them spell, show them a smile and just wish them well. When them get so bright I don't fish them smell. Hype up them tell them a some real tell. Your man knows me tell from Buddha. Cause you have to go down like you pray to Buddha. Want touch a button them shoulda. Stop walk round and talk out Buddha and Buddha. Alright then, bend over touch your toe. Show me the thing them you can. Hey, your pussy tight like glue, girl. I know one man.
Hold on there. Don't get me vexed. 130 in the building. Sing Maddy Nashi. Don't get me mad. Okay. Yo, I'm mad. I'm sicko. Like Anthony Perkins in a psycho. Take me nice and cut up your bumbo. Sleep on your face like sorrow. Don't get me vexed now this. Hey Monk, a long time you know. Sharky, sing, girls time. Here we go. When I'm gonna see you again, even if it's just a friend, it's just a friend. When I'm gonna see you again, one more time. Yeah, want some quality time. Girl, you was on my mind, say on my mind. When I'm gonna see you again. When I be yes, I'm sure I'm a god. Nashi, are you? Make it one same way. Yeah. Come on, talk to woman them same way. Here we go now. Hey, the girl them sexy. The woman them sexy and them cute, them impress me. Said them mama this big I them stress me. Tell me what I got to do to get you in your birthday suit. Listen me now, girl. Me say go lie down on the track when the train a come. Come back and get a brain and listen to train here I run out in front of a dumper truck. But if I live, I'm gonna give shit a punch of fuck. She said jump off of the cliff. Me said forget the red. Went to all my old sister. Hey. Yeah, me know. Let me tell you something, come for DJ phone, but I'm not stay too long. Now we're going up on more piece, and we'll cut and move. Dan Kwa, me no say yet, you know. The woman them. Jack, pick up yourself here. Yeah. Alright. The woman them sexy. The woman them sexy and them cute. Said them impress me. Said them mama this big I hope. Them a stress me. I
don't know what I got to do to get you in your birthday. So, hey, she say go like dunk on the track when the trainer come. From my back I get a brain and listen cranium. Yeah, run out in front of a dumper truck. But if I live, I'm gonna give she a bunch of fuck. She said jump off of the cliff, me say forget the red. Well to all my old stiff, me will forget for dead. Tire rope from my neck to all a sinking ship. Cause that pussy, this dick is gonna sink in it. Because she's sexy. The woman them sexy and them cute and them impress me. Said them I'm mad this big a youth. The things start stress me. I don't know what I got to do. Yes I. Blessed love here. Give thanks.
We know one more artist and we just continue juggling up.
Yo, Indigenous, link up.
2 more artists to go, right? And we just do the little thing. You understand me? I said Indigenous, and you don't know Tilly Benge.
Good night, people. As me I said, Indigenous in the building. Good night, people. Blessed love to each and everyone, as me I say. I will give thanks and praise unto the Most High Jah. You don't know the things there. DJ Pepsi, go and line up the beat them. Hold on, sorry there. Yeah, man, sorry. Yeah, you see it. We have whole heap of family in the building, you know. We got the family them in the building. Saying, we got the people them who come to support Daily Bread set speed. Because you don't know, say, yeah, man, it's a blessing. You see me, I say Daily Bread, we there, you know. First and foremost, I don't know. Saying, respect to all of my brother them. You see me, I say, I'm a cousin them, and you don't know, say, all of who come to support the I say. Yeah, man, so you don't know, so we there, sing and big up yourself, you know. You don't know, say, brother. Shade. Yeah, man, you don't know Beanie, man. Yeah, man, you see it, Daily Bread, big up yourself. Yeah, I love how the artists them are going, the artists them come up and them do them thing. You don't know a thing set. But here what? Because you see them artists are bridging them set speed in a long time with there, you know. And most time they are not try something and the people them not support it to the fullest. Tonight, I love how the people them support the artists them, see? Because DJ, here more you do, run a tune a DJ. Yeah. You see that tune? That tune request to all the people that we are try. You see me I say? Hear me now?
Yeah, I feel make it out, we are try. Now give it up in our life. Hey, the limit is the sky. Hey, get the people. Every day we are try. Hey, Jah know we not lie. Hey, try. Yeah, say the limit is the sky. I sing red eye. Hey, bad mind we every time. Jah, yeah. Not even tears them no cry. Hear me now. Been through the roughest and we been through the toughest. And yet still man have to say focus and show me. Don't want to rush it, no time man have to clutch it. Cause we don't want to live focus. Ready eye, hey. That I kill him every day, every night. If you see we on a stage, we no fright. It's just another stage in our life. That's why we are.
Pull up the tune. Yeah, man, that tune request to all the people them know so they might try in a life. You see it? But you know so we have to make it, you know. Saying, DJ.
People, I have to make it out, we are trying. Now give it up in our life. Hey, the limit is the sky. Hey, yeah, me, yo, Rampy. Every day we are try. Hey, Jah know we not lie. Hey, try. Whoa, so the limit is the sky. I sing red eye. Hey, bad mind we every time. Yeah. Not even tears them no cry. Yeah, we must say. Been to the roughest and we been to the toughest. And yes, still man have to stay focus and show me. Don't want to rush it, so time man have to clutch it. Cause we don't want to live focus. Red eye. Hey, that I kill him every day, every night. If you see me on a stage, we no fright. Just another stage in my life. That's why we are try. Hey, Jah know we not lie. Hey, try. Yeah, I said the limit is the sky. I sing red eye. Hey, Bad mind me every time. Hey, yeah. Not even tears them no cry.
Yeah, you mean, give me the next tune, give me the next beat. Yo, give me thanks, give thanks. We could give them something in the morning, because you don't know, so we always give thanks for life. Saying, give them a give thanks to DJ. Saying, because you don't know, say as me say, big up the people that come in to come support the Daily Bread thing. Saying, you see that tune here? Baby man, big up yourself in up on that one, you know. Daily Bread, big up yourself, you know. You know what me I tell them, say? Yeah,
watch out, and careful of the strife you feel, people. And if you're not right, forgive. Life then why you kill? Massive. Hear them attack, how they make the blood spill. Hear some attack, how they make the blood. DJ, yeah, you me. All of the people them in a be in one place, Daily Bread. So me say give thanks to life, hey, cause you always a show us. Say your response, say, oh, you mean, lift it up. How that?
DJ, I want to you. Stop it. I saw you good. BT yourself, you know. DJ. Alright, sir. See you.
Man has a respect me, you see what me talk about, the boss just walk in. Yeah, man, we give thanks to life, you know. You see them there? You see that tune, yeah? I hear that tune. Seeing so just as me drop the tune, they'll walk in. So that's why you know so we are Jack children. You see it? People, careful of the life you give. Careful of the life you live. Cause if you're not right to give life, then why you kill? Elder! Yes, a man attack how they make the blood spill. Yes, a man attack how they make the steal. If you have a heart, Jaja make it must beat. So give thanks, yeah. Jaja give thanks to life, oh. Cause you always a show us. So you respond to life, hey. Up on the road, man, I focus. And every signal we sight, I just be happy, hold up. I never give up the fight, So Jah please go before us and just send us the light. When the enemies approach us, our consciousness is on the rise. Your black sun, them a hold up. Massive, watch out. So woke up this morning, it was meant to be. Give thanks to the Father who gives strength to me, who guide and protect I from my enemies. And all the wicked man, them who wish they tell me, they let too much plague arising, cage up arising, too much war a fight, days of fighting, days of crying, wake up Zion, yeah, I mean say give thanks in life, boy, that you always a show us, say you respond to life, boy, yeah, up on the road man a focus, and every signal we sight, I don't see it, we have to hold up. I never give up the fight. Singer, so Jaja please go before us and just send us the light. When the enemies approach us, I can just yo, give me the next tune. Give me Menaces. And cut it off. Give me Menaces. You know it, go Sharky. Yes, Sharky said if you line up the next thing. Give me the Menaces, brother. I could give people them that tune because you don't know, so the thing makes sense. Give the people them the Menaces. Yeah, man, as I say, you don't know no people. Rastafari thing me I deal with still, you see it. I love and unity and everything you don't know, so surround that. You see me, I say so. You don't know we are clean up the world. You see me, I say, I just want the thing go and reach. You see me, I say, watch it now. I see Menaces. Why many falls? Righteousness that will just have to be. And I see many body wayside. Whoa, wasting them whole life. I say, behold, we coming after black king. Yet still they want to judge I to with black skin. I said, man, when them are worship is not them. I this gold, one give us with them doctrine. What is the cause of it? Babylon them cruel. Cause it's genocide, homicide and the youth them. War and crime they start, no equality. Them never want we make it out no way. Come on if we make it out one day. People know what I see many seas. Why many falls? Righteousness that. Pull up that tune on DJ. And that tune I cut it in. Hold on, one more tune. Hold on, pull it up DJ. Pull it up. Be the one place today, you know say our place. Sharky, hold it cause you don't know say our thing. DJ, run it back.
All of the people them know say them believe in the Almighty Father and them know say yo, see this year I feed them here. So you don't know say you just a give thanks and praise and I got you. That tune, run back that tune, brother. Cause them a try to tap it through with black skin in the people, but just go and pray and got you. Hear that? Cause they can't stop this thing and the melanin them a try fight, don't it? Can't fight out the melanin. You see me and say we won everything. The diamond and the girl, yo. You better tell the people, I see many seas. Why many falls? Righteousness that will just have to be. And I see so many body wayside. Whoa, wasting them whole life. I say behold, becoming after black king. Yet still they want to just to a black skin. I said the one where them are worship is not him. I this cold, one give us for them. What is the cause of it? Babylon them growing. Casting genocide, homicide and the youth them. War and crime they start, no equality. Them never want we make it out nowhere. Hear me now? We have to make it out one day. I see many seas, when many falls, righteousness that will just have to be. And I see so many body wayside. Whoa. Wasting them whole life. I said behold, becoming after black king. Yet still them want to judge us through a black skin. I said the one where them are worship is not him. I this troll. One give us for them. What them I chalky? Hold on you know. Hold on you know. Hold on you know. We'll give them a party. Acapella style. You see that verse of acapella. Sharky, hold on you know. To me say Rasta living optimum. And we now go bust the gun. And we spread the love to everyone when time we touch the gun. Healing at the Asian and them know the one you have to bone. So bring the coachy come. High until we touch his son. Lion and say royal. So them no one has still has his son. Some man has the honors. So I respect to the maximum. Can't stop the glory now. Do them keep a story down. This year them cannot hold me down. Sharky, just come play some tune, brother. You see me I say? Brother. Manners, you don't know what it. I be in one place. Love and respect. It goes out. Manners, Digenous.
This. Tilly Bang, hold on. Tilly Bang got the horse, you know. Tilly Bang got the horse, you know.
Hold on. I'm calling for hold on. Hold on, the general. Just want to big up Daily Bread, Father Juba, Beanie Man, Father T. Queens, me loving the more money, more word can say. Right now, me are the host, the most comfy toast. Me see some girl who cuter than J-Lo, hotter than Halle Berry, hotter than Tara Banks, them are T Kerry. Real hot girl we said place on fire. Me can't get one out if he put a picture on me flyer. I just want to say farm boss, lead them campus. Step in farm boss, come deal with it cross. Yeah.
Super boss,
Yeah. Farm boss, I don't know. Daily Bread. Big up yourself. QLO. One time. Selector, where you there? Jump asleep. Street, we gone, you know. We in the street. Talk them on top. Talk them on the street. When all of the police go put it in a tweet. If a boy get knocked down on them, we Daily Bread. Yo, and no come. When the price go bang bang. Watch your food, yeah. With a little, yo. A suicide, watch a little. If it can come again. We in the street. Pull it up again. Bang bang. Farm boss. Them for know. Yo, me say you talk, them a talk. Out of them a lock the street. When all of the bodies them go put it in a tweet. If a boy get knocked down on them tweet. Bang bang. Keyboard warriors, internet stoners. Stuff from a far off when them closer. Hotter than a chalk, never left it toaster. Hey, lift it again. Give them some mess, buddy.
the mic there. Anyway, yo, who I rush me but I no kung fu. When me rise, it go bang bang boo. Watch a fool ya, with a little tool, yo. A suicider, what a little fool. This liberty you gonna dead soon. Lights out, boy, gone in a two. 6'6" in a one room. The rest of clowns them so visit your soul. Real banger boy and not just a tune. Bout him head hot and he couldn't cool. Wish badness him never go to school. Always a chucky, never have a tool. Body drop head gone to the moon. All in a badness have a rule. No true me a cool him think me a fool. Me will make your blood running at the pool. Boy, this man from Maple. You think I be gonna spray them? Digi a roll with the key them. All when a million of them me no fear them. Make them pregnancy gate and bait them. So me never mistake them, a one by one. So me lay wait them, flat for me belly. So me lie wait, with sponge for me foot and me a go through boy window. Walk with sword, me no kick like a ninja. A mosquito, bite me for me trigger finger. Rise up the intra, left the face warm all when time a winter. What the trial for the Olympic sprinter. Chase up them diagram and a serve up a maca. Body the heart stopper, the brain buck cracker. Me bad like a shaka. Hey! Rush me foot and no kung hot skirt. Y'all make man with wedding banner flirt. From boss, what a pre. A girl alone in a me vision. I saw me make me decision. Take it, serious like religion. So my girl, come bubble for the dance. Because me love your body work. Me love your body work. This fitting on your skirt. Y'all me love your body work. Man I make it rain. Y'all have at work. If I that I make it work. Y'all me love your body work. Me love your body work. Would I never divert? Y'all me love your body work. In a dance hall, y'all a clap it like say a church. Tattoo in her neck, tattoo in her back. Y'all bumper big and he knock it fat. Touch on the road, y'all a traffic you a black. Man can't see a focus, y'all a crash. The little boy where you have, you and him no match. In a me domain, y'all a just a with the catch. 9 months time, y'all a bikini you got. Me have to cool you down cause you're too hot. Touch up on the road again, you're ready for this spot. Like a mannequin, y'all turn up and a watch. When you take it dance floor and a tick it and attack. All wonder Stevie, I watch that. Just to how your body work. Me love your body work. This fitting on your skirt. Girl, me love your body work. Man, I make it rain. Girl, I feel at work. If I that I make it work. Girl, me love your body work. Me love your body work. Would I never divert? Girl, me love your body work. In a dance hall, girl, I clap it like say a church. Girl, your space small and it easy fi full. Dash it on the 7, stunt him a pull. One bag of chatting, still our ears full. Like a trini, me a lime and I wait for the time. Give me a chance, girl, and not eat me a pull. No more headache after this a earthquake. Light it a flicker, glass it a break. After shock, trimmer, the girl them sugar and a duck. Simmer, me a fi confess, girl, you boom boom a bimmer. Me know me a fi get you from the first day. Me sight you down a singer. Gamma call you, you are the winner. Let's go dinner. I true me love your body work. Me love your body work. This fitting on your skirt. Girl, me love your body work. Man, I make it rain. Girl, I feel at work. If I that I make it work. Girl, me love your body work. Me love your body work. Would I never divert? Curvy like your knee, girl, clap it, girl, it's trendy. I no Gucci, I no Fendi. Yeah.
Mountain Saturday, every last Saturday, they don't know every month, so look out for it, I tell you, the whole promotion crew, Father Juba, being you don't know super force, whole link, you see me? You don't know, can't forget the people them were there, you see me? I say, we big up everybody will come out and support this, you see me? Mountain Saturday, look for the big one, the 28th of August, I come. You don't know where I say, yo. When we do the thing, that's how I do it. You see me? I say, so I love and unity, naturally advise family, say, you don't know. Love, respect, BTV, you don't know, we say straight. Now lean around here, you see me, I say, Sharky Super Force over there, so you see me, the real general, lizard that, general from youth days, so you don't know where I do the thing. Yeah, man, I daily brother say, slay the souls at the bars. Father Alan there from early. And we say big up the artists them were there from early. National General. You don't know. Telebeng and the whole in the family. I just want to big up on yourself. Big up my wife, you know, on the outside. You don't know the thing. Yeah, man. One knock BTV.